Okay, this is part 3 of the lesson in the C major open position. And this time we're going to focus on another mode within the C major position, and this is the AEOLIAN mode, also known as the natural mode, a natural scale, the A minor natural scale. And it's every major scale has a relative minor, and how you find the easiest, quickest way to find the relative minor is, just say we're using C now as an example. Here's a C note on the 6th string. It's on the 8th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And basically you just go back 3 notes, 1, 2, 3, and whatever that note is, which is just A, in this case it's A, that's its relative minor. And if you pick a C note here, go back 3, A. So A is the relative minor to C. And another way to look at it is the 6th note of the C major scale. You have this C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C, the octave. The 6th note is A. So you could look at it that way. You could go, what's the 6th note of the scale? In the C major, the note then is A, so that's its relative minor. So every major scale has a relative minor using exactly the same notes as the C major, just again starting from a different start point. So this time we're working on the relative minor to C major, which is A minor, and it's also got a modal name, which is AEOLIAN mode. And here it is here. So it starts here on the 5th string open, which is an A note, and it goes, that's 1 octave. Now you'll remember the last time we were doing the E Phrygia mode, that started up here, and I went from E to E, and then from E to E. This time we're starting on the A note, and it's going to go from A to A, and then from A to A again. Now for the first time we're going to step outside of the open position box, and we're going to go to the 5th fret. This is the only time we'll go outside, but just so I could show you 2 octaves of the AEOLIAN mode, I just stepped outside, and it's on the 5th fret. So it's resolving then to an A note. So here it is over 2 octaves, 1 octave. And like I did all the other times, now I'm just going to run over the scale, improvise as such. And instead of thinking in C or E, which is the Phrygian mode, I'm going to just think in A and let A be the resolving note, or the tonic note, you could say. Well, no, you couldn't say that, but the resolving note, you'll think A. Also, again, like the Phrygian, the E Phrygian mode has a kind of Spanish feel. And it's a natural minor scale. Minor scales they're either a natural minor, a harmonic minor, or a melodic minor. There's 3 different minor scales, so this is a natural minor scale. We'll cover the different minor scales at some other time, but not now. So again, the AEOLIAN mode, take from the open position of the C major scale, using the same notes as the C major scale, but just a different starting point, starting on A to A. Said again, you're just thinking in A minor. because it has a kind of slight melancholic feel to it, being a minor scale. Okay, I just want to show you this again over on the board. So you have the AEOLIAN mode, natural minor scale. The A minor scale is the relative minor scale to C major. And this is the tab you could use. You can see there, open 2, 3, open 2, 3, open 2, open 1, 3, open 1, 3, and then we went outside to the 5th fret just to resolve it to another A. There are the notes of the A minor scale, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and as I said, they're exactly the same notes as the C major scale, all natural notes using all the same notes. There's the C major scale again, 2 octaves. So we said C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, that's 1 octave, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And the minor scale then is just that we start on the 6th note of the A and go to the A there. So it's still within the C major scale using the same notes, just a different starting point and a different way of thinking within it. Okay, again, thank you, goodbye.